Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of one of our retired service vehicles, the 2019 Chevy Equinox. Now this Equinox only has 3,700 miles on it. Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers over $5,000 off the MSRP price. Now this is a front wheel drive vehicle, and it is the LT model. It does come custom with our back tinted windows and aluminum rims. When we get inside our vehicle, we can see that we do have our cloth seating with a tan lining, a relatively large back seat, a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.